Mailchimp bounced emails. How to fix hard bounces and improve deliverability, Warmy blog. In this video, we'll explore how to fix hard bounces in Mailchimp and improve your email deliverability. We'll cover bounce reasons, maintaining valid email addresses, and following spam laws. In Mailchimp, a bounce happens when an email doesn't reach the recipient's inbox. Soft bounces are temporary issues like full inboxes, while hard bounces are permanent, such as invalid addresses. Mailchimp automatically removes hard bounces to protect deliverability, helping ensure more emails land in inboxes. Hard bounces harm your sender reputation, leading ISPs to flag or even blacklist your emails. Mailchimp penalizes accounts with high hard bounces to protect deliverability. Maintaining a clean, updated email list is essential to avoid hard bounces and improve inbox placement. Hard bounces in Mailchimp are often caused by invalid or outdated emails, blocked or blacklisted domains, spam traps, disabled accounts, temporary emails, or overly strict filters. Addressing these issues by keeping a clean, accurate email list helps reduce bounces and boosts deliverability. To reduce hard bounces in Mailchimp, maintain list hygiene by removing inactive emails, use double opt-in to verify new subscribers, monitor bounce reports to spot trends, and periodically revalidate older contacts. These practices improve deliverability and protect your sender reputation. Warmy.io's email validation tool helps Mailchimp users improve deliverability by reducing hard bounces. It ensures a clean contact list, preventing campaigns from reaching invalid addresses and strengthening sender reputation. Warmy.io's email validation tool uses real-time verification and a 1-10 scoring system to check email deliverability, helping Mailchimp users reduce bounces and protect reputation. Simply upload your list, validate, and review results to keep only deliverable contacts. This integration with Mailchimp ensures that your campaigns reach active, engaged recipients securely. Improve deliverability by setting up SPF, DKIM, and DMARC for authentication, using Warmy.io's email warm-up for better inbox placement, segmenting and personalizing content to boost engagement, and monitoring blacklists to maintain a strong sender reputation. These practices help Mailchimp campaigns reach engaged recipients effectively. Warmy.io offers tools for email warm-up, list validation, and access to top deliverability consultants. For hard bounce issues in Mailchimp, book a call with Warmy.io's experts for tailored support to improve your email success. Before you leave, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Stay tuned for more fun stuff.